Alrighty, Sharp Customs, we are rolling. Another quick little video. I know I always say quick little video. We're going to do a little doodad on the quarter scale GT40. Right here on the table, as you can see, I've got a center section with the side skirts kind of just sitting here mocked up. Now remember, these molds are going to be made in pieces. I can make them as a whole unit. Right now, for shipping purposes, I think the 3 pieces work great because the front, basically the nose, like I said in the last video, you know, it will fit over like so. This is obviously the molds. The back, I just started laying up this afternoon. Got my gel coat in, got 2-3 layers of ½ ounce just to get all my shapes and contours. That will actually fit over top of the front piece, so I can ship them in 3 pieces. There will be firewalls, bulkheads. Enough about that stuff. You'll see more of that stuff. Of course, we got a new addition to the family right here. Another Rovan Baja short course truck. Pretty cool. Took me about an hour. It was full of Rockstar Energy stickers all over the goddamn thing, and I couldn't stand it, so I had to peel them all off. But tonight, I'm going to give you a little treat. So here you go. Here's a GT40 body. This is not a fiberglass body. This is the 3D print. It's been gutted. Already been broke once. It's been gutted. I fiberglassed it just to make it just a wee bit more durable. Kind of give it a quick paint job. A couple stripes, some numbers, some Sharp Custom stickers. Fits on the Rayco modified, super modified 2 chassis that's been obviously altered. You can see right here, I lengthened the chassis, I don't know, 2.5 inches to accommodate this body prior to ever even getting it. I'm going to fire it up. I'm going to stick the body on it. Normally we go across the road into a parking lot, but if I got to run it up and down the street for you, well, that's what I'm going to do. So let's fire it up. We'll open the door. We'll take it. I'll run it up and down the street if I have to. Why? Well, why not? Because I can. We'll just race around the traffic on the street. So I put a little hand muffler on it. Keeps it a little quieter in my neighborhood. Doesn't tend to piss the neighbors off. you have it. Slick looking little GT40 body. It's the 3D print. She broke on me yesterday right here. Did some fiberglass work underneath it just to hold the 3D print together. You got to see it obviously do some mad donuts in my driveway. Look, I spit rocks out all on the road. There's just way too much traffic on the street tonight. Here in beautiful southern Ontario, you know, it's just starting to chill a wee bit. Tomorrow we're supposed to get like a high of 15. Like, how great is that? February? Come on. High of 15 here tomorrow? You know, I'll probably have this out tomorrow evening. Go to a bigger place and rip it some more. Why not? Because that's what we do here at Sharp Customs. So you got to see it. Stay tuned for a finished fiberglass GT body. I'm going to be making a few of them before I start pushing them off to the owners, new owners. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my dedicated subscribers. Thank you to all my subscribers. Share, like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Told you, short video, Sharp Customs. Peace. I'm out.